Hi there, Jaime Bliven here with Bedford Real Estate Group, and I am inviting you to a See It Now showing for a new listing that we have at 218 South Hill Drive in Bedford, Indiana, in the lovely Western Hills edition. We're going to invite you to come on in and see this gorgeous, stately, colonial-style split-level home. Check out the beautiful sitting porch that you could just take in the ambiance and the scenery of the neighborhood. It is family-friendly, pet-friendly. And come on into the open foyer. Nice wide foyer, kind of open concept, and plenty of room to move in groceries or furniture without being cramped on the stairwell. Moving up into the main living area with brand new flooring and new paint throughout. Into a large, spacious family room with lots of natural light. Not completely open concept, but for entertaining, you do walk right into this dining room, and as you can see, they have plenty of room for a 6-person table, and it moves directly into the kitchen, so it's still everything all together. Lovely tile floors, plenty of cabinet space, stainless steel appliances, solid surface countertops, and the electric range is extra wide and it has a griddle in the middle, perfect for making those pancakes on Saturday morning. Or grilled cheese sandwiches at midnight, which is my favorite. And we have double French doors that do both open onto this lovely entertaining deck. You have seating here for friends and family, plenty of grill space, hangout space, overlooking a good-sized yard with beautiful weeping cherry trees. Backs up to pastoral land, so you get to hear the cows lowing and just taking in the beautiful area that is southern Indiana. And we'll go back into the kitchen. And into the main living area, and to the right is a wide hallway. And notice the closets, lots of closets in this house. And to the first of the guest bedrooms. This is the smallest of the 3 main living area bedrooms, but it is very spacious. Plenty of room for a queen-size bed, desks, dressers, lovely closets, lots of space in there, and neutral wall palette color. And into the guest bathroom, which has dual vanities, which is nice if you have lots of company that comes over or a large family. There is a separate door for the shower and commode. So you still have privacy and still be able to use the front part of the bathroom if you do have a large family. And into the second of the guest bedrooms, which is really spacious. Natural light, large closet. And there's color on the walls, but it's still a neutral, cozy palette. And come on into the primary suite. Now this primary suite really could be a retreat or sanctuary because we have this space with 2 closets, which we're calling the dressing sitting room. So you can see there's room to have chairs and sit, maybe a little couch, unwind from the day. Across from this room is dual vanities. So both of the main bathrooms on the primary floor have double vanities, which is lovely. And a separate shower tub area with a corner jetted tub for relaxing away the day. Lovely tile surround, neutral color on the walls. And we come back through the sitting area, dressing area, into the primary bedroom which is really spacious through French doors, which you can close off. Plenty of room for all kinds of furniture, king-size bed, fresh paint on the walls, and through this area we have a large walk-in closet, and we have rear access to the deck that connects back to the kitchen, so you could just pop on out here and have your coffee in the morning. And we're going to go this way out onto the deck from the primary bedroom. And you'll notice to the left there are stairs going down so that you can access the backyard. Beautiful rolling hills, green space, lots of foliage. And we'll come back through the kitchen and then go down to the lower level, which is also finished. Again, a nice wide foyer, so plenty of room for moving furniture in. You could decorate it really cute for seasonal stuff. No banging into the walls, carrying all the groceries. And we're moving down into the second family room, which has a wood-burning fireplace. And if you'll notice that there is a little doorway here, which actually leads underneath the front porch, and it connects through the front porch, underneath the stairwell, to this closet door. So you either can have lots of storage, or you could even have maybe a little storm shelter if we get really bad weather. And we'll come into this room. Currently a teenager's bedroom, and they're packing up to get ready to move. This could be a home office that has rear egress onto a screened-in porch. It has a half bathroom. Lots of options for this space. Down the hallway we have a laundry room with not just washer and dryer, but it also has a utility sink, which is great for washing out stains. We have another room here, which is right now being utilized as a music studio. Could be a nice craft room or home office or study area. There is a window in there, which is covered right now for sound dampening for the music studio. And we have one more bedroom on this lower level. Two closets in this bedroom. It does have a window for some natural light to come in. And then behind this door we have an oversized 2-car garage with electric door openers, and to the back of that is a large, could be workshop, could be craft room, hobby room, also with rear egress to the backyard. So lots of ways to get in and out, lots of options, lots of storage. So I am Jaime Bliven with Bedford Real Estate Group. We are at 218 South Hill Drive, and if you would like to see this lovely 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath house, give me a call.